Smart mattresses are being rolled out in a busy Victorian hospital to ease the burden of pressure injuries. As our medical reporter Emily Rice explains, the technology is helping both patients and nurses.
With restricted mobility due to a spinal injury, 57-year-old Norman Gertz recently developed a severe pressure injury that poisoned his bloodstream.
It was right in my lower back, which is really a tough spot, and I spent 3.5 months in hospital.
Patient immobility is a huge problem across healthcare.
Lying on a surface and it's causing pressure on the skin, whereby the blood flow isn't sufficient to keep that skin viable and functional and healthy.
Now Melbourne company Lenexa Medical has developed a smart mattress to tackle the ailment.
And take the pressure off the healthcare system.
The clever beds contain sensors that monitor pressure points on the patient's body, which alert medical staff when that patient needs to be repositioned to prevent skin damage.
We're able to tell you whether or not patient X has been lying on their left side for the past 2 to 4 hours, so that the nurses know when and where to actually move the patient to.
They say, well, where is it, doctor? And I say, well, it's embedded into the surface of the mattress.
Bendigo Health is trialling the new technology in and outside the hospital.
If you've got a hospital and a home patient in their own home, you can tell them, oh, it's time to turn, Jack, because there's a problem developing on your hip.
In future, having sensors in bed won't be so unusual. Smart mattresses will likely be designed to also monitor heart rate, breathing, even weight.
Our vision is really to be able to convert all the traditional mattresses into patient monitoring platforms, so that we're able to essentially provide this information to the nurses, to the caregivers, so that they have this at their fingertips.
Something like that could help spot something before it became an issue would be just amazing.
Emily Rice, 9 News.